Have you ever been on a flight that felt more like a roller coaster than a smooth journey through the clouds? You're not alone. While turbulence is a common occurrence, some routes are notorious for their rough rides. Whether it's due to strong jet streams, mountain waves, or unpredictable weather systems, certain flight paths consistently leave passengers gripping their armrests a little tighter. Let's start with one of the world's most famously turbulent routes, New York to London. This transatlantic crossing is frequently affected by the powerful jet stream, a fast-moving air current that can cause sudden and intense turbulence. Pilots often have to navigate around it, but sometimes there's no avoiding the bumps. If you've ever felt like your flight across the Atlantic was particularly shaky, the jet stream was likely to blame. Heading to the Pacific, we find another infamous route, Tokyo to Los Angeles. Flights on this path frequently encounter severe turbulence, especially over the Aleutian Islands. Here, a mix of strong jet streams and unpredictable weather patterns creates a perfect storm of rough air. It's a route that has made even seasoned travelers sit up and take notice. If you've ever flown between New Delhi and Hong Kong, you might have experienced a different kind of turbulence. The Himalayan mountain range plays a significant role in causing rough air, as winds hitting the towering peaks create powerful mountain waves that can extend for hundreds of miles. The result? A bumpy ride that can leave even experienced travelers feeling uneasy. Speaking of Hong Kong, another turbulent experience awaits those flying into its international airport. Due to the unique geography of the region, pilots often have to navigate through turbulent conditions caused by wind shear, particularly during typhoon season. It's no surprise that Hong Kong remains one of the trickiest places to land. South America is no stranger to turbulent routes either. Flights between Santiago, Chile, and La Paz, Bolivia, frequently encounter severe turbulence as they pass over the Andes Mountains. The combination of high-altitude air currents and unpredictable weather makes this one of the bumpiest rides in the region. And then there's Wellington, New Zealand, often referred to as one of the windiest cities in the world. Flights into Wellington International Airport are known for strong crosswinds and sudden turbulence, making for a white-knuckle descent that keeps even experienced pilots on their toes. So what causes turbulence on these routes? While some turbulence is caused by weather systems like storms and jet streams, others are due to topographical features like mountains that disrupt airflow. The good news? Modern aircraft are built to withstand turbulence, and pilots are trained to handle even the roughest flights. The next time you find yourself on one of these routes, just remember, while turbulence might be uncomfortable, it's completely normal. So sit back, buckle up, and enjoy the ride. Now, we'd love to hear from you. Have you ever experienced turbulence on any of these routes? Share your stories in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and safe and smooth travel.